The biggest shift in wealth creation for 2026 is moving away from selling your labor and moving toward owning digital assets. While most people are out there looking for a second job that takes up more of their time, the smartest entrepreneurs are building assets that work 24/7 without needing a break. The only reason these people can manage multiple digital properties without getting overwhelmed is that they treat their assets like a professional portfolio, not a hobby. And I have found a highly effective solution for you. I have discovered a professional system that acts as an asset management command center, a single, private file that allows you to build, track, and scale your digital wealth from your iPhone, Android, or laptop with zero monthly fees. I have put a link to a free Lite version in the description so you can start building your digital portfolio today. But first, let's look at 5 high-profit digital assets you can start creating this week, and stay until the end to see how this system handles the growth for you. The first idea is niche AI prompt libraries for professionals. With every industry moving toward AI, specialists like architects, lawyers, and marketers are looking for proven prompts that actually deliver results. You curate a high-end library of specialized prompts and sell it as a premium digital asset. You build it once, and it sells to thousands. By using a professional system to manage your sales pipeline and customer feedback, you can turn a simple file into a 6-figure digital product. Second is the Micro-SaaS Directory. Instead of building software, you build a directory that solves a specific problem, like a list of the best AI tools for interior designers or the top vetted remote workers in a specific country. You charge companies to be featured at the top. It is a digital real estate play that grows in value every month. Having a command center on your phone ensures you can manage these listings and track your sponsorship deals from anywhere. The third hustle is vertical video template packs. Content creators are under massive pressure to post daily, and they are desperate for high-quality, pre-made templates for TikTok and Instagram. You create a pack of 100 high-converting video structures and sell them as a content kit. This is a high-volume asset that relies on your ability to stay organized with your marketing and your customer support, which is exactly what a centralized system provides. Fourth is B2B Standard Operating Procedure SOP Kits. Small businesses are a mess internally. You offer a digital asset that includes all the templates and procedures they need to run their team, from hiring checklists to customer service scripts. You are selling order and structure to business owners who are drowning in chaos. A professional system allows you to manage these high-ticket sales and follow up with your leads perfectly on every device. The fifth idea is curated digital marketplaces for local artisans. You build a specialized online platform for a specific niche, like handmade leather goods from North Africa, and you take a commission on every sale. You don't hold any inventory, you own the platform and the traffic. It is a scalable asset that requires you to stay perfectly organized across multiple sellers and buyers, which is where a rock-solid command center becomes your most valuable tool. Now, I want to talk to you directly. You are tired of the hustle culture, where you have to work harder every day just to keep your head above water. You want to build something that lasts. You want to own your time. But the secret to building assets is having a professional system to house them. You can't manage a professional portfolio if your ideas are scattered across a dozen different apps and your leads are lost in your inbox. This is exactly why the ClientFlow System I found is such a game changer for your journey. It is the bridge between working for money and owning a business. Because it works on every device, you have total control over your digital empire. You can be out with friends, and with one tap on your phone, you can see your entire pipeline and know exactly how your assets are performing. You don't have to wonder what to say to a potential big-ticket partner. You just go to the sales scripts section and use a proven framework. If you need to grow your authority and drive more traffic to your assets, you have over 270 content ideas and 80 professional AI prompts built right into the system. Your data is private, it works offline, and it stays with you forever. This is about building a future where your assets do the heavy lifting for you. I have made sure the free version is linked in the description because I want you to feel the confidence that comes with being a digital owner, not just a digital worker. Stop trading your time for pennies and start building your system-backed empire. Grab your copy, pick one of these 5 digital assets, and let's start building your wealth today. The system is ready. Are you?